Witches have been passing this powerful secret from generation to generation for hundreds of years to ensure their survival. Now this secret has finally come to light. If you want someone to fall madly in love with you, or if you want them to think about you all the time and go crazy over you, this age-old secret spell will do exactly that. It will make anyone go wild for you, even if they're already in a relationship. Scarlet Rivera, aka the Red Priestess, is an ordained high priestess of the Dragon Rouge tradition of Wicca, a spiritual tradition that has been using Freemasonry philosophies combined with the spiritual practices of the American Indians to create a powerful and influential synthesis. Unlike other Wiccans, she also follows the path of the dragon, which is a blend of Thelema, Tantra, and the native African voodoo. Scarlet's psychic abilities first manifested themselves during her teens. At the age of 15, she began having vivid dreams, which she often found difficult to interpret. She also experienced visions in normal waking states, which caused her great confusion and distress. The vision of a beautiful woman dressed in red was especially troubling to Scarlet. Her grandmother took notice of these abilities and tried to help her learn how to control them and use them to help others. The world is full of people who have been hurt, cheated on, lied on, and treated horribly. Some have been left at the altar. Some have lost love to cheating partners while engaged to be married or while married. The Red Priestess has helped countless people like this find true love. She's helped them by casting love spells that can mend the most fragile relationships and even bring back lost lovers. Jerry was in love with a woman who did not love him. When she started dating someone else, he was heartbroken and lost. But after Jerry met the Red Priestess, all that changed. Scarlet could see he really loved this woman, and she told him that things were going to get better very soon. Jerry couldn't believe how a woman who didn't want anything to do with him a week earlier would now call him non-stop asking to see him. Elaine was with her husband for 10 years, and one day he decided to leave her after he found a younger woman. She tried to get him back, but it was impossible. When Elaine first contacted the Red Priestess, she explained to her that her husband was trapped in a curse by some other woman, and that is why he wouldn't come back. Scarlet broke this curse by performing an ancient and powerful ritual that would normally take about 2 months to complete, in just 2 nights. Elaine's husband started texting her the next day, telling her he missed her and that he thinks he made a mistake, begging for her forgiveness. After a few more days, he came back to Elaine and they are now happily married again. Although the Red Priestess is only 24 years old, she's helped thousands find true and meaningful relationships. She has been practicing her skills for over 16 years and provides clients from all over the world a chance at true love. Click the Cast Now button to get a customized, potent love spell made especially for you by the Red Priestess herself. The purpose of this website is to provide people with love spells and help them with their relationship problems or enhance their existing relationship. If you are in need of a little bit of true magic in your life, then the Red Priestess can help you get a new start. Due to the enormous amount of requests, the Red Priestess has recently decided to limit the number of spells she provides and only continue providing spells to the clients she already has. Don't miss your chance to hear the person you've always been obsessing over say the words, "I love you." Cast your personal love spell today by clicking the Cast Now button.